Hi, my name is Chris Wilson. I'm a certified functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Upstream Vitality. I really hope that you find the information in the videos that I put out here very insightful, very helpful for your learning and your growth, and especially on how to achieve optimal health. My mission in life is to help 1.3 million people achieve and discover the potential to optimum health and longevity. I'm going to do this through inspiration and education and empowerment with a message of hope and healing where our mainstream medical system has really failed us. And if you want to learn about restoring gut health, hormone balance, detoxification, or getting into ketosis, I think you've come to the right place. And if you like this video and you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button below and please share these videos out there as I'm trying to reach and fulfill my mission and deputize many more people to create a ripple effect in doing the same manner. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.